company is actively sponsoring non-EU candidates for healthcare roles in Finland. They specialize in international recruitment, particularly for nurses, caregivers, and practical nurses. Their services include assisting with the visa application process and providing support throughout the relocation journey. This organization is currently hiring care assistants for their clients in Joensuu in Finland. The position offers a 2-year contract, is salary based on the Finnish collective agreement, and benefits such as free accommodation, groceries, and transportation. Imagine waking up to the crisp Finnish air, surrounded by breathtaking lakes, dense forests, and the peaceful rhythm of life that only Finland can offer. So picture yourself making a meaningful impact in the healthcare sector, earning a competitive salary, and living in a country ranked among the happiest in the world. Sounds like a dream? Well, today I'm going to show you how that dream can become your reality. We are diving into a life-changing opportunity, relocating to Finland as a nurse or caregiver through Finland's sponsorship program. Even if you are a non-EU citizen, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to apply, what qualifications you need, and how to make your move smooth and successful. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also reveal insider tips that most applicants miss, which could significantly increase your chances of being hired. Welcome back. Before we dive right in, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to join the family so you can keep getting updates on how you can make your relocation dream come true. And please do well to like this video, give me a thumb up, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section for me. So let's dive right into the video. This amazing organization I'm bringing your way today is Fincare. Fincare is a leading international recruitment company that specializes in connecting skilled healthcare professionals with employers in Finland. They are known for sponsoring non-EU candidates, assisting with visas, and supporting relocation. Essentially, they guide you from your first application all the way to starting your new life in Finland. Now, why Finland? Let me tell you, this country isn't just beautiful, it's also incredibly welcoming and safe. Finland consistently ranks as one of the happiest countries in the world. The healthcare sector is well developed, offering competitive salaries and excellent working conditions, and generous vacation days, family-friendly policies, and an unparalleled work-life balance. And you have a country that is not just a job destination but a lifestyle upgrade. So how do you get started? Here is what the page looks like. I'm going to drop it in the video description or in the comment section. International recruitment. Are you a nurse or caregiver who is looking to find your next fulfilling job opportunity in Finland? Here are the 5 processes that you're going to go through. The first step is the application screening, where your application assessment, verification of documents, and signing of contract takes place. Then once your documents have been verified and you're actually qualified, then you move to the next step, which is training and assessment. Here you're going to go through the Finnish language training, practical training, and assessment. So when this stage is successfully completed, then you move to the third one, which is the departure to Finland. Your residence visa processing and travel arrangements would be done on this stage. Then you move to the fourth segment, where onboarding and local registration takes place. This is after you must have landed in Finland. You're going to go through the local registration, apprenticeship program, and integration into their healthcare system. And once that is completed, you are going to move to the final stage, which is career and community support, where you are going to be given support so you can seamlessly integrate into the system. You're going to enjoy Fincare support programs, and in order to ensure that you have a good stay in Finland. So how do you get started? Just come right up here and click on apply here. So it's going to bring you here where you can commence your free assessment and verification. Are you interested to apply to our open roles? Make the first step by taking our free assessment and document verification to find out if you qualify. So this assessment is for registered nurses, practical nurses, and care assistants only. And with practice ethical recruitment, you will not be asked to make any form of payment all throughout the recruitment process. So please put that at the back of your mind. You are not expected to make any form of payment to anyone. The process is actually free from start to finish. So if you are a nurse, then this page is for you. But if you're a caregiver, then you're going to click on apply for caregiver. So here you're going to commence your assessment. You have to fill in your details here, your email address and your phone number to start with. So once you insert your email address and your phone number, it's going to bring you right here, and you're going to have to answer this question: which one describes your nursing work situation right? If you are a licensed nurse with or without hospital work experience, you are on the board nursing graduate with or without hospital experience, or you have not studied nursing. So I'm going to go with the first option. Then you click on go ahead. Then it brings you here. Are you willing to work in elderly or disabled care facility? Of course, yes. Then you click on go ahead. Are you proficient in English? If you are, click on yes. Then it's also going to ask if you have a Finnish language proficiency of at least A2.2. So if you do not, which I expect most of my subscribers not to have, then you click on no. If you have it, you can click on yes. If you don't have it, then you click on no. Let's try clicking on no and see what it gives us. Click on go ahead. So you can see sorry, you do not qualify. So if you do not have the Finnish language proficiency, it's not going to go through. And this is the tip I'm going to give to you, because it's highly competitive to move abroad, especially when it is with full sponsorship. This organization is going to sponsor you all through the process. So the only thing you can do to make yourself qualified is to try as much as possible to get your Finnish language proficiency, and all you're required to have is the A2.2, which is very achievable. If you're serious with your relocation to Finland and you want to move to Finland without you spending a dime, this is the only way out for you, because the only thing that disqualifies you from getting sponsored by this organization is the A2.2 Finnish language proficiency. I know of someone, a Nigerian lady, who moved to Canada because she was determined to learn the French language. She did that and it really increased her CRS score. The next express entry draw, she got selected and she's now in Canada. So within the space of 6 to 12 months, if you're really dedicated and you're willing to move on this sponsorship, is you can dedicate just between 2 to 4 hours every day studying the Finnish language. Literally all you need to get this done is about 1,000 to 1,005 Finnish words, and within the space of 6 to 12 months you can achieve this requirement. And apps like the Duolingo, the Finnish Pod 101, and some other apps like that can actually help you in this journey. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you're willing to take up this challenge. If you're willing to take up this challenge, all you need to do is to complete this form and go through the 5 processes and find yourself in Finland.